Social Security was signed into law in 1935 as a way to provide a retirement safety net to every working American. By 1942, the first recipients started receiving their checks, and since then, nearly $1 trillion of total benefits has been paid out through the system. What was once a very simple system for providing retirement benefits has now become one of our country's most complicated pieces of legislation. Totaling more than 2,600 pages, the Social Security Act has created a maze of decisions for most filers. Some decisions lead to dead ends of reduced benefits and excess taxes. Other decisions reward filers with maximized benefits and taking advantage of all available options. Einstein Retirement Workshops and its network of National Social Security Advisor certified professionals have the education and expertise to help you navigate this maze and avoid the dead ends. Social Security law, being more than 2,600 pages, cannot be accidentally mastered. It requires significant education and training that our National Social Security Advisor certified professionals all have. When you meet with a National Social Security Advisor certified professional, you are gaining insight and knowledge about your benefits that few professionals in the finance industry possess. This knowledge will allow you to optimize the method and timing that is best for your circumstance, as complicated or simple as that may be.